if you have reached the limit for the numbers of business you can create on Instagram, and this video is for you. Hey everyone, this is Prince again and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video I'm going to share the tips of how to fix your Instagram to switch back to business profile with no limitation, so you can still get all the features like Instagram Insight and Instagram ads. All the features for business profile will be back again, so watch the video until the end and let's begin. So we are going to start by looking the requirement to fix the Instagram account limit for your business profile. So the first thing is to make sure that you have your Facebook business page set up well, and your Facebook business manager is set up well, and check if it is verified. And if you don't know how to make Facebook business manager, I will leave the link in the description of how to make your Facebook business manager in the right way. So the third thing is that you have to make sure your Facebook page is connected to your business manager. You have to make sure that your Facebook page is well connected to your business manager. In the settings, go to your business settings, go to your page and connect your business page there. You have to add it, add the page and add your Facebook business page. So the fourth thing is that you have to make sure that your Instagram account is not linked with any other Facebook page or Facebook business manager. So the next one is that you have to, everything will be done on Facebook, not IG, and you will get back to your IG and see it's back to your business profile. So, and the last one is that you are going to start working, but before we do that, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell notification so you can be notified whenever I upload the new video. There is a new video every week about the digital marketing tips, so show some love guys and let's begin. So we are going to start by going to our business settings and go to your page and see where is the page that you need is connected to that business manager settings, and go to your Instagram account. As you see, there is another account that is connected to this business settings, to this business manager, and I'm going to add the new one. You have to click on the add button and connect your Instagram account. Wait for a few seconds to load. So I have to just switch an account to use another account. Then I will have to click the login and wait for a few seconds to load. So as you see that it is connecting, and then you have to click the finish button, and it's done now. See that the account is added well. So after that guys, I have to go to my Facebook page. Also go to your Facebook page settings, and you also have to connect your Instagram as well. Click the connect button and you have to switch an account again. Then I will click the login and wait for a few seconds to load. So I have to click the confirm button and wait for a few seconds to load. So which on this step they are going to give us the option to convert our Instagram to business account. So you have to go through all the steps as well. Click continue again, click continue, and you have to fill in your information as well. Then click done. So the window will pop up, so you can just fill in the login's information again. Click login and wait for a few seconds to load. So you have to confirm again, and I'm sure that you get back to your Instagram account and see that it is back on in the business profile. So now that you have switched back to business profile using Facebook you can go back to your Instagram and see everything good, all the tools for business, the insight, the promo buttons. And if you have any other question or any issue, please let me know that in the comment below. And if you found this video helpful, please like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the bell notification so you can be notified whenever I upload the social media tips and the digital marketing tips. Every week there is the new video about them. Please subscribe and turn on the bell notification, and let's meet in the next video.